Starting a small business in the USA can be a thrilling venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Develop a business idea. Identify your passion, skills, and market needs. Conduct market research and create a unique value proposition. 2. Choose a business structure. Select from sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, limited liability company, or corporation. Consider seeking professional advice. 3. Register your business. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. Register with the Secretary of State or County Clerk's office. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. 4. Create a business plan. Define your mission, goals, and target audience. Outline marketing, sales, and financial strategies. Establish a budget and funding plan. 5. Secure funding. Explore options like loans, grants, crowdfunding, or investors. Prepare a persuasive pitch and financial projections. 6. Set up operations. Choose a business location or online platform. Acquire necessary equipment and supplies. Hire employees or contractors if needed. 7. Establish accounting and tax systems. Set up accounting software, e.g., QuickBooks. Understand tax obligations, e.g., sales tax, income tax. 8. Launch and market your business. Develop a website and social media presence. Create a marketing plan, e.g., advertising, content marketing. Network and build relationships with customers and partners. 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. File annual reports and tax returns. Maintain necessary licenses and permits. Stay up to date with regulatory changes. Starting a small business in the USA requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing effort. Stay focused, adapt to challenges, and seek support when needed. Additional resources. Small Business Administration, SBA. SCORE, free business mentorship and resources. IRS, tax guidance and resources. Remember, success is a journey. Stay committed and keep learning.